Today, we're going to do something different. No tabletop today. I want to teach you a new activity. It's called Jigsaw.
Jigsaw.
Do you know Jigsaw?
Yeah.
Jigsaw is a type of puzzle. Okay, Jigsaw looks like this, a piece of a puzzle. Okay, this is a jigsaw puzzle. In a jigsaw puzzle, there are 6 people in a group. Okay, they're going to look like this. How it works. There are 6 people per group. Each student gets a part of a story, like this. This is one part of a story. One part has 3 sentences. 1, 2, 3. This goes to one student. The next student gets a different story. Today, how many stories will we do?
3.
3 stories. One story is called Fufu. It's a story about a cat. The next story is called
The Beach.
This is about a little boy at the beach. And last, the taxi. This is also about a little boy in a taxi. Yes, good story. Grade 6 knows this activity. They know these stories. We have 3 student teachers. Who are they? Yes, Paul and Ruby and Ben. 3 people. What grade are they?
6.
Grade 6, right. They are our student teachers. Ben, what story do you have?
I have Fufu.
Fufu the cat. This is Ben. And Paul, what story do you have?
I have the beach story.
The beach. The little boy at the beach. Ruby, what do you have? The taxi with the clipper? Yes, that's right. Okay, so each student gets a part of the story. One of these strips. In one story, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strips. One student, 1 strip. How many strips in the story? 6. 6 students, 6 strips. You could look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 strips. They are mixed up. They're all jumbled. They're like a puzzle. You have to read your part of the story. And 1 strip, 3 sentences. Like this. He sits down and opens the bag. He is surprised. There is no hamburger in the bag. There are no French fries. There is no Coke. You remember this old story?
Yes.
There is money in the bag. A lot of money. This is our example story.
Yes.
Do you remember the name? Money. Fast money. Yes. This is an old story. So you have to think of some key words. So a key word might be like this. A man wants to eat fast food. But there is no food. There is money. So maybe fast food, money. Those are 2 good keywords, key phrases. Fast food, money. You could also put what? What else could you ask? What else could you use? You think here, he. Is that a man or a woman?
Man.
Man, okay, so man in the story. So here, fast food. words. Burger, man, money, fast food, bag, park, or make a few key words. And next, you find the other students with the same story. So if Jane is student number 1, how many more students do you need? 5 more. 1 plus 5 is 6. How many students in one group? 6 people. Okay, great. So you talk with each other. Do you have fast money? Oh no. Do you have fast money? Yes. We are a team. Now how many people are there? 2. How many more people do we need? 4. Do you have fast money? Yes, she does. Now we have 3 people. How many more do we need? 3. Do you have fast money? Wow, that's awesome. 4 people. How many more? 2. Sarah, do you have fast money? No? Oh, okay. If she doesn't have fast money, that's okay. We find someone. Aaron, do you have fast money? No. Uh-oh. Jet, do you have fast money? Oh no. Oh no. Emma, do you have fast money? No, who has fast money? Fast money? Oh, great, June. So June has fast money. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 people. Who has fast money? Okay, Anna. 6 people together. Then you put the story in the correct order. Like a puzzle, you put it together. How many strips are there? 6. 6 people, 6 strips. 1. A man goes to a fast food restaurant for lunch. 2. Anything else the worker asks? Don't you remember this now? To go, the man says. The man takes the bag. He sits down and opens the bag. He is surprised. The man counts the money. $2,000. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strips. When you finish this, your teachers will check. If you have the taxi story, who will check? Who's this? Ruby. If you have the beach story, who will check? Paul. If you have Fufu's story, who will check? Ben. They will check. Say, teacher, we are finished. Teacher Brian? No. Teacher Ben, Teacher Ruby, Teacher Paul. They will check your story. Like this. When you finish, then you match the story with the pictures. There are picture strips like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One strip has how many pictures? 3. One strip has how many sentences? 3. They match up. Okay. Just like this. A man goes to a fast food restaurant for lunch. Oh yeah, fast food restaurant. Anything else the worker asks? Worker. Is this a man or a woman? Woman worker. Okay. To go, the man says. Is this a stay, tray, or go bag? It's a go bag. Good. Same here. Number 4, number 5, number 6. Then you read the story together. And who will check your answers? Teacher helpers, Ruby, Ben, and Paul. They will check. Is it correct?
Yes.
They will check. And then, you come to Teacher Brian for the worksheet? No. Who has the worksheet? Ruby teacher, Ben teacher, Paul teacher. The worksheet has 2 questions about each picture.